Hi everyone, welcome back to another beautiful, amazing day. And today, I'm telling you guys how to increase your finance and wealth with a lemon. Well, actually multiple lemons. I know lemons are great for lemonade. They're just wonderful. They smell great and they actually deflect negative energy. So, here is my feng shui tip that I actually learned, and I've been implicating it into my life, my daily life. So you're gonna need 9 lemons and a beautiful bowl. I love the color red, it shows power. So but you don't have to get red, you can just get a regular bowl and just add 9 beautiful healthy looking lemons into the bowl, and you can just place it in your kitchen area and just leave it there. Now, it is said that if your lemons were to grow a certain type of color or get spoiled very quickly within a day or even a week, that there is unwanted negative energy that is surrounding your home. So that's a great way to also cleanse the environment. So you would just throw out those lemons and bring in some new fresh lemons to erase all that negative energy that's in your home. Now, if the lemons last for more than a couple weeks, because they usually do, and they just harden, I wish I could show you guys a picture, but I will probably add it in there when I edit this video. I'll show you how they're supposed to look and what they're not supposed to look like. But yeah, when I do this, my lemons last me up to a month or so. And if there one time I did it and there was a lot of negative energy in the home, so I just clean my home and refresh the energy. You can also place these underneath your bed, on your bedside table. And one time me and my husband was fighting, and I looked at my lemon the next day and it was rotting, so I knew that was bad energy. So these are great energy detectors, guys. So I would grab myself some lemons at the supermarket or at your regular farmer's market, and like I said, 9 lemons, very easy and simple, and they're beautiful. I'm gonna actually turn the camera around so you guys. So here are my fresh, beautiful lemons, and I stacked them really nice into my bowl, and I will place them on my kitchen counter and just leave them there for a couple of weeks. And there you have it, guys. Please let me know if you guys did this lemon trick, and if you've seen any negative energy in your home by looking at your lemons. Let me know what your turnout is. I'm sure it will be great. And enjoy your cleanse. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you like this video. I hope to see you guys all again, and I hope you have a fantastic, amazing holiday that is coming. Thank you guys.